Okay, this is the Boom Learning website. When you click on your link right now for religion, the interactive Easter story, it will bring you here. You will need to sign in. You'll click sign in with Boom because I've already made you all accounts. Your username is going to be your first name plus the year that you were born. So I'm using myself as an example. Then you click next. Then everyone's password right now is SMSM1. And you click the blue sign in. Yep, that's me. When ready. Hey, okay. So when you go to your assignments tab, it will show how you are doing as far as like any awards you've won so far, but as a beginner, you won't have anything. And down here, it will show you the Boom card decks that I have assigned, the tasks that you need to do. You'll just click on this, and it will bring you right to it. So the story of Easter is the first one. And then see how it highlights the green arrow at start? You click that. You read this part, and then at the bottom, it always has a task it wants you to do. So find a palm branch to welcome Jesus. So it gives you a hint of what it should look like. You look at all these pictures, they're all drag and drop. You find the one that matches it the best, and then see, I'm clicking it and holding it down. If I let go, it goes right back to its spot. So you have to click and hold, drag, and then when I drag it to this section, you see this blue box that pops up. You want to make sure you drop it inside the blue box or it won't count it. So do your best to line it up, drop it, and then you're going to click Submit Answer. Here we go. The answer was correct. So it gave a green circle to show us that we're right. Click Next. Read this page, and then it says Find an Angry Priest. Now I'm going to show you what happens when you do a wrong answer. Okay, so I'll use these coins. This is clearly not matching the same picture. Bring it over to the blue box again, and then click Submit. Oh, and it shows a red circle. That was not the right answer, and it lets you try again. So then you just want to find the right picture, drag it into that blue section, and then you'll hit Next. Make sure you're submitting your answer each time so it can tell you if you're right or wrong. Some of the assignments are not drag and drop. They're just multiple choice answers where all you have to do is click the answer that you want. Once you are done, it will show you how many questions you completed and how many of those questions you got right. Okay? And then I will be able to check up with that as well. That's how you use Boom.